Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Mr. Burden, and welcome back.
Good morning, boys and girls. I'm Mr. Wall, and today Mr. Burden's going to share with us our first Tinkercad challenge.
So, what we're going to be doing is something a little bit different than how we've been doing our STEM challenges every day over the past couple weeks. Today, Mr. Wall and I wanted to create a challenge that builds throughout the week. What we mean by that is that we want you to get really great at using Tinkercad. If you remember, Tinkercad is a software that's online, that is free, and that everyone has access to be able to create 3D images of things that you could potentially 3D print. Now, when you log in for the first time, you'll be using your Google account and syncing it to Tinkercad. If you already have a Tinkercad account, great, you're good to go to begin creating and designing. As you go in, though, we want you to get really great at learning how to manipulate the space and how to change things. So when you go in, you're going to be using the lessons that are provided by Tinkercad to get really great at how Tinkercad works so that you can jump into our challenge for today. I'll let Mr. Wall share a little bit more about our bag challenge, and then I'll finish things up today by sharing with you what this is building towards by the end of the week. So I'll send it over to Mr. Wall.
All right, so boys and girls, your challenge today is to go into Tinkercad, create a new design, and as Mr. Burden said, create a bag tag. Now, what that means is something that could hook onto your backpack or luggage or something like that. So, what we'd encourage you to think about are some design constraints like sturdiness of the hole. You don't want it to come off and break over time because that if it's too thin, over time that small hole will get worn and it will come off. And you don't want that to happen. The other constraint that we want you to do is to be able to put your name on it so that people can recognize your particular bag. The rest of it is up to you. Design it in the way you will, add your personal flair, add different shapes and designs to your actual bag tag. Remember that although Tinkercad does offer colors within the app, that's strictly for aesthetics within the app. So don't worry too much because the final color will all come out to be one uniform color. Now, Mr. Burden's going to go ahead and take over talking about the final challenge and what this is all leading up to with a contest at the end.
So Mr. Wall was slightly hinting at the idea of the difference between the colors in the design and then what it would actually produce out if you 3D printed, which means Mr. Wall and I would like to offer the opportunity to try to 3D print some of your designs. Yes, you heard me right. Mr. Wall and I are looking at trying to figure out a way to 3D print some of your designs. Now, we can't print them all. And please understand that we're trying to still figure out some of the logistics of how this is going to work. But our goal is by the end of the week to have a full plan of how to be able to 3D print a couple of the winners that as we do these designs this week to be able to get those designs made so that you can have them. Now, don't worry about that part yet. Today, your focus is to make your bag tag. So use the designs that are available in Tinkercad. Use the lessons to be able to build and to get better at how to do 3D designing and then have a lot of great fun with it. If you'd like to post a picture, take a screenshot of your design and put it in the comments below. That's an awesome way to begin to share some of your creations. And then we'll be back tomorrow with another Tinkercad design challenge to be able to continue to get your designing skills that much better. So we will see you back more tomorrow, and we'll again have more details to share about the end of the week and how we'll go about potentially 3D printing some designs. See you tomorrow, guys.
Have fun.